Welcome to MathGip. Algebra practice problem. We are going to solve these three math based on quadratic and algebraic fractions. Number 1. Solve 2x square minus 9x plus 7 equals to 0. So here 2 is a coefficient of x square, 2 times, and here is 7, so it will be 14. So we have to find out that two numbers, once we multiply it will become 14, and once we make addition we will get 9. So here is minus 9x, we can write 2x square minus 2x minus 7x plus 7 equals to 0. So very simple, we can take common 2x, so here is x minus 1 minus, we can take common 7, so here is again x minus 1 equals to 0. Then we can take common x minus 1, so here is 2x minus 7 equals to 0. Now either x minus 1 equals to 0, so it will be x equals to 1, or 2x minus 7 equals to 0, it means 2x equals to 7, or we can divide both sides by 2, so x equals to 7 by 2. So our answer is x equals to 1 or 7 by 2. Very simple. So number 1 done. Number 2 is a very simple thing. Simplify 8x cube minus 4x. We can write this one. Simplify 8x cube minus 4x divided 4x square, right? 4x square. So this one we can write 8x cube divide 4x square minus 4x divide 4x square, right? Then we can divide 8 by 4 is a 2, x cube divide x square, it will be x. 4 and 4 we can divide, so it will be 1, x square divide x, it will be x. So finally we get 2x minus 1 by x is our answer. So number 1 and 2 done. Number 3. Number 3, here is solve for x. We can write this one, x plus 5 divide 3 minus x minus 1 by 2 equals to 4. Look, so here is 3 and here is 2, so once we make LCM it will be 6. So we can multiply both sides by 6, right? So x plus 5 by 3 times 6 minus x minus 1 by 2 times 6 equals to 4 times 6. So 6 divided 3 is a 2, 6 divided 2 is a 3, right? So it will become like x plus 5 2 minus x minus 1 3 equals to 24. So finally here is 2x plus 10 minus 3x minus and minus plus 3 equals to 24. So 2x minus 3x, it's a minus x, equals to, here is 24, and it will be changed to right side, so 10 plus 3 it will be minus 13. So 24 minus 13 it will be 11. So finally x equals to minus 11. Very simple. So no more today, we are trying to solve 3 math in this video, which is very important. So please let me know if you have any question. These types of math is very important for grade 8 to 9 for algebra. So please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.